Okay, in this next example right here, we are going to find a parallel line to a given point that goes through, a parallel line to a certain equation that goes through a given point. That's what I wanted to say. So, we're given this point right here, and we're given an equation, and it says, hey, I want you to find a line that's parallel to this one that goes through this point. Okay. Now, I put this formula here, and you can use this formula to do this, but I'm going to show you a different way of doing this. And then on this problem right here for the perpendicular, I'll use this formula, and you can choose which way you want to use it. Okay. So we're not going to use this. We're going to use y equals mx plus b formula instead. Since we want to get in slope-intercept form anyway, might as well start in this form, right? Well, we know that this new line that goes through this point is parallel to this line. And if they're parallel, we know they have the same slope. So what's the slope of this line right here? Well, it's the coefficient in front of the x. So the slope of our new line is -2. So let's put this here. M is -2. Okay? So since we know our slope of our new parallel line is -2, we can plop that into this formula. So we have y is equal to -2x plus b. Okay. Now here's what you can do with this point. We know that the line goes through this point. And if it goes through this point, what we can do is we can take this point and we can plug it in to the x here and to the y there. And when we plug it in, the only thing left to solve for is this b. So we're going to do that, find the b, and then just rewrite the formula. So check this out. So we'll put the 3 in for this y. So we got 3 is equal to -2 times, we're going to take this -1 and put in for the x, -1 plus b. So I got 3 is equal to 2 plus b. And when I subtract the 2 from both sides, I get b is equal to 1. Now, since I know b is 1, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this 1, I'm going to rewrite it in the equation right here. So, therefore, our line would be y is equal to -2x plus 1. And it's in our slope-intercept form. There you go. Okay? In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can do this type of problem with perpendicular lines, but I'm going to use this formula, and you can choose which way you want to use this.